CCIV stock update. Okay, guys, so I haven't really talked much about Lucid Motors lately because the stock wasn't really moving that much. But as we take a look here, we can see that it looks like we've lifted off of that support level of around, I would say, $17. And it looks like we're heading back towards $20, guys. So, like I mentioned, some of my earlier videos, guys, be sure to grab your 2 free stocks over at Webull. You can get them by going to investortrip.com/Webull, guys, and grab your free stocks. And if you guys are interested in crypto as well, be sure to grab your free Bitcoin by going to investortrip.com/Coinbase. So, guys, let's do a little update here. So, very interesting trading day. Pretty much green across the board. So it's really good session, I think. And we saw a lot of EV stocks kind of perk up. This includes CCIV. So over the last week or so, we've been on a nice uptrend. So if you guys follow me on Twitter, guys, be sure to follow me on my Twitter account at InvestorTrip. I do a lot of more little micro updates and things like that. You can see that basically it looks like we've come out of those lows. So the panic sell-off is gone. So a lot of things, tech stocks panic sold off because of inflation fears. Bitcoin sold off. So I think the worst is behind us. I think the whole sell in May thing and go away. I think that's done. And I think this summer is going to be a big summer. The weather's going to be great, guys. People are finally going to be able to go outside, enjoy the sunlight, go outside and go to the movie theaters and things like that. And I think we're going to see a big boost in the stock market. I think people are going to be feeling much better and they're going to be buying more stocks and crypto as well. So as we can see here, guys, a quick update here. Lucid Motors posted this tweet earlier today. It says the countdown begins for the Lucid user experience reveal on May 26th. So if we take a look here at this video, it looks amazing inside this car. This is probably the best looking EV car I've ever seen. It just makes Tesla look like just a bit of a cheaper Chinese type of product. The Lucid Air, for me, it looks like the Apple. So basically, this merger is going to be completed in Q3, and looks like this company is going to be the Apple of EVs. And we all know what happened when Apple, entered the tech scene and started producing smartphones and things like that. Apple actually wasn't the first company to really produce smartphones. Actually, that time, Nokia was the largest cell phone maker. So just about 15 to 20 years ago, Nokia was the largest phone maker on the planet, and Apple stole their lunch. So, with all of the negative news surrounding Elon Musk and all of the people being upset at him for flip-flopping on Bitcoin and, fear that California is threatening to shut down Teslas, this could be a great opportunity for Lucid Motors. So for me personally, guys, I do still hold Tesla stock, and it is still my largest holding. But I would not be surprised if Lucid Motors, in the long run, could give Tesla a serious run for its money. If not overtake Tesla, then become at least the number 2 player. Because, at the end of the day, guys, people are going to be appreciating the quality of your products, right? We buy iPhones, we buy MacBooks. Sure, you might like Tim Cook as a person or the Apple brand, but at the end of the day, you're buying the product. And it just looks like right now, Tesla has had a lot of success in the past, but the past is not indicative of the future. So there's a lot of doubts surrounding Tesla right now, and that provides a unique opportunity for Lucid Motors. Lucid Motors CEO, he's much older, he's much more experienced, and he just seems a bit more down to earth. He's not erratic in his behavior, and he's not trying to stir things up. Perhaps he's just a little bit more focused on the quality of the car instead of his Twitter followers or Dogecoin or SpaceX. So that's not a jab at Elon Musk, because I think Elon Musk is one of the most important entrepreneurs of the 21st century. But, where there's chaos, there's opportunity. So I think there's an opportunity for Lucid Motors. So as we can see here, guys, we take a quick step back here and see we are still down. We are still down quite a bit from the high, but we're still up 97% year to date. So if you had bought, CCIV, right when the merger was announced, you still basically doubled your money. So that's still a phenomenal year to date return. And that's why I think a lot of people are freaking out, because even though, this price skyrocketed, to this huge gap up here, you know, 100% return year to date is still solid returns. And the year is not even half over, guys. So there's still a lot of room for CCIV to run. And like I said, this, I believe, was the bottom. If you see here, we can almost kind of look at the chart. We see here there was clear support line right here. This was the previous support that was earlier year to date. So I think things are only going to improve from here. So I don't know necessarily when CCIV is going to break this previous $60 resistance, but I'm 100% sure that CCIV is going to trade more than $60 within the next 6 months to 1 year. Once production starts ramping up in the second half of the year, you bet people are going to start buying this stock. And also the ticker change, guys. The ticker is going to be changing probably within the next 3 months. So it's not going to be CCIV, it's going to be LCID. So I just think there's a lot of upside for this company. You know, I'm just really impressed with its products. You know, so many people are interested in some of these EV companies based on hype and things like that. You know, you got you had the Helion hype, you had Nikola Motors hype, Tesla and Elon Musk. Lucid Motors is one of the few companies where I think people are not really interested in the CEO. They're interested in the product. So that's a very strong competitive advantage long term. And we bounced quite nice off this bottom. So, you know, take a look here. A nice little bottom here. It was about 10 days ago at $16. And now we've moved up quite a bit, guys. So, you know, this looks like this was the bottom. I don't think you'll ever see CCIV that cheap. But look, 20 bucks a share basically. I still think it's a great buy. I still have some call options on this. They're actually expiring at the $20 strike price. Hoping I can sell those calls on Friday in the money, but you know, we'll see what happens, guys. But you know, I'm about to wrap things up. Like I said, if you're still long on CCIV, I would still say hold. Things are going to get better, and this is still a great accumulation stage. 16 would have been a great price, but under $20 for me is a steal. So I'm just waiting for some funds to come in so I can probably double my stake. I want to get, you know, at least a couple hundred shares on this because, you know, I believe if you hold on to this long run, you're going to get some phenomenal returns. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to receive more Lucid Motors updates from me, please smash the red subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and check out the links in the description below, guys. Check out some of the resources that I'm offering. You guys can check out my Twitter, and be sure to head over to Webull and grab your 2 free stocks and Coinbase and get your free Bitcoins. That's till next time, guys. Take care.